How to delete Instagram search suggestions. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of your Instagram application. Then, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here on the top right, you will see three lines. Simply tap on it and go through the settings and privacy. Now if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see help option. Simply tap on it. From here, select report a problem and select report problem without saving and select include and continue. From here, you have to briefly describe about your issue and then hit on send. Now simply hit on send. Instagram team will help you out to solve this issue within 24 hours. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.